This is the first video in a code the trade system in half an hour series. So right now I'm just gonna from blank code a simple trade system. Yeah, it's not going to be a difficult one. It's just going to be quite of a simple one. So, and basically first I show what it's gonna do, and then you can see how I code it. Well, I said half an hour, but might even take less. Okay, so basically, so we have the market going, doing something like this. I'm gonna build a channel, a price channel based on the closing price, and a price channel. Yeah, this one is also based on the closing price, yeah, but the one is going to be on the highest and the other one is going to be on the lowest, right? So this one is going to take the highest closing price and build a channel, and this one is going to take the the lowest. Okay, and after that, as soon as the channel breaks out, the price breaks out the channel, I'm going to enter the market, and same if the price goes down, right? So if it breaks the channel here, I'm going to enter the market with a short. Here I'm going to enter with a long. So it's pretty simple. Okay, so I have a Visual Studio project here, and basically, okay, sorry. So here we go. This is a Visual Studio project, and you can go to my website and check out how to set up Visual Studio and stuff like that. But right here, I'm just gonna start and create a new class. What is? Sorry. Channels. Still having the 30 minutes limit. It's 2 minutes past now. Okay, so simple channel system. Okay, and I'm going to need Wealth Lab, and I'm going to need Wealth Lab indicators. I have them all edited right here, right? Indicators and Wealth Lab. Check out the full video on coding. I have it on the website for free if you want. It's okay, and I think this should be public. And first I'm gonna have two strategy parameters. So where is it? Strategy. Here we go. I'm gonna have two strategy parameters. Actually, just one, the period. Yeah. I'm gonna toggle the channel period and build the constructor. Okay. And create parameter, name it, give it the default value will be like, let's say 10, and we're going to go from 5 to, I don't know, 200 with a step of 5. Okay, so that's it. We have our channels. Okay, next is you're going to need this. I'm just going to copy a little piece of code because we need this method in order to run. Okay, first I'm going to clear my debug. I'm gonna plot stops, and then I'm going to have int period equals period. So whatever we tell Wealth Lab to have the period as, I'm going to take it into the strategy. All right, and let me just copy. Okay, no, let me just create the channels now. Data series. Channel high, enter. Okay, and that's going to be from Wealth Lab indicators, the highest series, and I'm going to use the close price, and period is going to be period that we tell it, and data series channel low enter, and that's going to be lowest series close period period. Okay, period. Okay, so we have it, and that's how we're going to enter. Okay, let's just sort out the entries first. Let me just copy this little for cycle. So I'm going to start from bar 0 until the last bar, but probably not a good idea to start from bar 0. Let me start from another value, and that'll be the first value. First value is going to equal math max between first value and period. So I only want to start when the channels are formed, and this is going to be 0. Okay, and I'll put this right here. So, and I'm going to have a bool value, which is going to be enter long, and a bool value enter short. Okay, so right now enter long is going to equal whenever bars close bar is going to be larger than channel high previous bar. Okay, and enter short is going to be bars close bar smaller than channel low enter bar -1, and that's it. So our rules for entering the market are done. Okay, and now if I don't have any positions, active positions count equals 0. In fact, and if active positions count, if I have some positions, is more than 0. So let me start with more than. Okay, and like that. No positions. Actually, have positions. No positions. Whoa, 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 whoa. What was that? Okay, so if I don't have any positions, I'm going to open one. And how am I going to do that? If enter long, okay, I'm going to do one thing, and if enter short, I'm going to do another thing. And if enter long, I'm going to enter, I'm going to buy. And I'm going to buy at limit. So I'm going to buy with the limit order on the bar, on the next bar, and the price is going to be bars close bar. Okay, and I'm going to have a buy string pass. And same for short, except I'm going to write here short at limit and short, and that's it. Okay, so now we have to decide how are we going to exit the position, right? So basically I'll be probably continuing this series with a few various exits for this type of strategy, but for this one let's just have a stop, right? So we're gonna enter with the when it breaks through, and we're gonna exit when there's a stop loss. We're gonna have a stop loss, right? And actually we're gonna make money with the stop loss as well, right? So let's build 2 more channels. Data series and channel exit long and data series channel exit short. All right, so and this is gonna be like this now. Okay, so we're gonna enter when we break the high channel and exit when we break the low channel for the long. Okay, same for the short. And now actually let's do some plotting. Plot series, and we're gonna plot it on the price pane. And first we're gonna plot this, so the long ones, let's make them green, right? Okay. Oh, actually I'm gonna add something here. System drawing. Okay, color green and line style, I don't know, this is the one channel, this is the entry one, right? So the entry one, let's make it dashed. And for the stop, what's wrong? Width. Okay, and for the stop one, let's make it solid. All right, okay, and two more. So exit long, high channel high enter, channel low enter. Oh, this is actually channel exit long, like this, and low enter. In fact, let's rename them. Channel enter long. That makes more sense. Highest, and now this one, channel exit long. This is highest, lowest, right? Okay, and this is gonna be channel enter short. This is the lowest, right? Yeah, lowest when we break. Channel enter short. Oh, it should be exit. What? Sorry. Channel exit long, channel enter short, and channel exit short. Okay, highest, lowest, enter long, enter short, exit short with highest. Okay, that makes sense now. So enter long, that's correct. Exit long, that's correct. All green. Exit long is solid. And now enter short and exit short. Let's make this red. Okay, so we have them plotted right now. And okay, so if we have active positions, and if last active position, position type is long, then we do one thing, and else if it's short, we do another thing. So if it's long, exit at stop, and on bar position, well, last active position, and the price is gonna be this one here, exit long bar. All right, and like this, exit short. Okay, what does that have? Oh my god, some misspelling. Channel exit short. Okay. So if we don't have any positions, we enter long on breakout and enter short on breakout. If we have an active position and if it's long, we're gonna exit at stop whenever the bar touches the previous bar's channel low. Okay, for long, and channel high for the short. Let's check it. So I copy it to Wealth Lab now. So I'm gonna paste it in here and let's see how it goes. Okay, so there's a mistake somewhere. Let's see where it is. It doesn't like the link. I should take it out. Okay. Compile. So it compiled. I have the period. Okay, and this is the old system. It's not this one. Okay, so here we go. Yeah, see, well, it's the same period. So we can see that I forgot something. So we need a period for, this is gonna be period enter. Okay, and we need to add one more, which is going to be period exit. Otherwise it's going to be two same channels. Period exit. Completely forgot about that. So it's 16 minutes, I still have time. Period exit and period enter. Okay. And period exit, we do the same thing. And okay, so period enter, period exit. Now period exit I put right here. Should make sense now. Always forget something. Okay, so let's, I don't know, make it a long period for a breakthrough. And what is this red? Okay. So this is the Apple security. This is an IQ feed, so it's giving me pre-market data, but this is actually a 5-minute chart, right? So we have a breakthrough, for example, this bar, right? So this is the highest channel, and right here there was a breakthrough, right? So this is the value that we broke through right here. So that's why it entered a long position, and it exited the long position right here. So it's correct. See, right on the line. Now let's look for a short. Pretty bad looking. Okay, that's another question. Okay, so let me just pause the video for a second to see what's going on. Yeah, I paused for 2 minutes, and it's actually working. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Well, you have to understand it's not gonna work good on every symbol, but there are some nice trades. And this is without optimization. I just tried it on the gold future, and you can see it's doing, I mean, I haven't been optimizing it anything, but you can see it's doing something. So it's like on a 10-minute chart with 500 trades a year. Okay, so here's a short, right? Here's a breakthrough, and basically here it exited with a stop, right? So it does that. You can see, well, if you go for optimization, let's try Monte Carlo begin. Just wait for 40 seconds. It's gonna give some optimal parameters, and we'll see, and probably end there. Okay, so by the way, if you want the code for this system, you have to go to www.tradealgo.com and register, and inside the registered zone there's a special link that keeps all these codes from YouTube, so you'll find it there. Even if it's not there right now, it will be there at some point. Okay, so because I'm only recording it now. So, well, sort of, right? I mean, this is just from scratch. Okay, so this is a simple channel system that you can actually use. So this is a pretty bad short, and another bad short, another bad long, right? But 40%, 0.92, 60%. This is a typical trend following system, right? So this isn't some nice short trades though. So if the market moves, it's gonna catch it, yeah. But be aware, if it's in flat, it's gonna lose money. But if it moves, this is like a simple, although a pretty good trend following system that you can use in your everyday trading. Okay, so good luck.